place is pretty incredible. Finally got a chance to go hiking through these things. Ooh. Water! Water in the desert! Alright, you know what? I couldn't really find a spot that had this Sora cactus in it where I could move my hands freely. So I'll hold it and talk to you guys like this because this area is beautiful. The stream is going right down there. You know, there's this sun coming through, but shady. This is a beautiful area. I'm glad I took this spot. Anyways, I made it to Saguaro National Park. It's my first stop since I stopped in with my aunt and uncle and you know, hung out with them near Phoenix. So beautiful area. Came straight down here to Tucson. Got a state park pass from my friends, from my family friends, an Arizona state park pass, so I can go to any state park for the rest of the month, which is beautiful. Hanging out with these beautiful creatures right here, these saguaro cactuses, which, see this one here, how many arms it has? It doesn't get its first arm till it's 70 years old. This thing's hundreds of years old. Man, and it's gorgeous. Such a beautiful creature, such a beautiful plant. Although I couldn't really live in the desert, I think the coolest thing about it is the magic gems that are hidden here. You know, you can look at a view and say, there's some cactus, there's some brush, you know, there's more sand, there's more desert. If you really go looking, it's kind of like a thrift shop. You ever go thrift shopping? I go thrift shopping all the time, and if you really look, you're looking for something, you're not gonna find it. But if you really look in between the lines, you're gonna find some amazing gems that it's probably gonna be your favorite jacket, your favorite beanie, your favorite pants for the rest of your life. That is like the desert to me. And I think to a lot of people is if you really look, you'll find the wildflowers, you'll find the stream going through the middle of it, you'll find the beautiful rocks or the beautiful saguaro cactuses that are just gorgeous. So although I could not live in the desert, I definitely enjoy looking around and finding the hidden gems that are within. This is cool. Set you up here. These are some of my favorite days. Just exploring, man. Just seeing what there is in the world is, you know, some of my favorite things to do. Like I said, these hidden gems, they're out there. You know, you don't have to go to a national park. You don't have to go where the signs tell you to go. Just stop off the edge of the road, and honestly, most of the time I see something more beautiful there, and more of my pictures are put out there than going to these places where all the people are. Plus you meet some awesome people out in some free camping land. Met this guy who's literally the stream that goes along here. He's mountain biking up it, jumping rocks and shit. You meet the coolest people out in the places where no one else is. Wake up, don't have a plan, like pull off any road and explore. I am out here in the Arizona desert, chilling in the snow. It's quite beautiful. I'm on a mountain right now. That's why there's all these trees. That's why there's snow. It's why I'm trekking through it. But I've never seen that before. You know, I've always heard, yeah, it gets hella cold in the desert during the winter at night. You know, it gets below freezing. But there's some storms that pull through here that end up getting a lot of snow up here. If you saw in some of that drone footage, some of these mountains are covered in it. You guys know how beautiful this world is, right? I would hope my viewers or people that are looking at these kinds of videos know just how beautiful the world is. Although there may be a lot of chaos in your life or a lot of drama or a lot of things just going on, it's moving really quickly or whatnot, there is still so much beauty found in the world. There's beauty found in the simplest of things, in a tree, in a view, in the sunshine, in the rain. There's so much beauty, and I just hope you guys know that. So yes, friends, if you don't know who I am, my name is Meta Michael, or Meta Micha for short, and I travel around the world in my 1992 Toyota Winnebago, which you've probably seen in a lot of the drone footage and other videos that I have on my YouTube channel, but it feels so good to be back to making these kinds of videos for you guys. These adventure videos, these cool drone shots and underwater and awesome GoPro shots, these awesome things. That is really the purpose of this channel, to show you guys the beauty of the world, to get out off of, you know, your hometowns and to see things, to expand your horizons. And that is the goal here. So thank you for joining me once again. Meta Micha signing off. Safe travels, my friends. Much love.